Hello from Tosh Tyres. I've got a VW Golf here on a 2004 plate. Just had a customer in, he was struggling to put the rear view mirror, basically the middle one here. He was struggling to put it back together. Now it's quite a simple procedure on these ones. I know a lot of people, they do struggle to put it back on and then they end up breaking something else. But as long as you've got this bit right here with two little lugs sticking out on either side, and then you've got the spring on the inside, it is quite simple. You start from the right side, so you slot it in and then you twist it to your... Wait, I'm just recording. If you just hold on 1 second. Right. All you do is you slot it in as long as it's quite flush to the top, and then you turn it. And that's all you need to do. I had this customer right here and he was struggling with it, but he's done it now. He's really happy. He's a happy man. But yeah, that's all you need to do on this particular model. If there is anything else, do let us know. Thank you. Goodbye.